if we have Grignard's reagent methyl magnesium bromide, methyl magnesium bromide, right students? And ester molecule, if we have ester molecule like we have CH3 C double bond O O C2 H5. What is the name of this ester molecule, students? This is ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate, this is an ester. Ethyl acetate, right students? This is ester molecule. So after as a result of this reaction, here we notice carbon which is attached with magnesium atom has partial negative charge on it because it is more electronegative as compared to magnesium, while magnesium has positive charge on it, right students? And in this molecule here we can notice this is the partial positive carbon, right students? And oxygen has a partial negative charge on it. Now students, you will see how reaction is proceeded in the forward direction. Reaction, carbon with the help of this negative charge, it will attack on this carbon, carbonyl carbon, and pi electron density goes to this oxygen. Oxygen becomes total negative. With the help of this negative charge, this oxygen will make bond with magnesium atom, right? So we will see what product is formed after this reaction. After this reaction, students, the product which is formed is, we'll write the product here. We get the product like, we will write here CH3, right students, O, C2, H5, oxygen has negative charge and magnesium bromide forms sigma bond with this oxygen. This is the unstable intermediate. Unstable intermediate, right students? And after that, if we do the hydrolysis of this product, unstable intermediate, if we do the hydrolysis, then what will happen? This negative charge, it is shifted here between carbon and oxygen, right students? And it is cleaved. This part will leave the molecule. So after the reaction, we get the product. The product which is formed is CH3. This is the main product. C double bond O, CH3. Identify the molecule, students. Which molecule is formed here? Yes, this is acetone molecule. What is the name of this molecule, students? This is acetone or propanone. Acetone or we can say propanone. Now students, we will see different steps how propanone or acetone is formed when we react Grignard's reagent with ester molecule. Now the different steps of the reaction. Let's see what is the first step of the reaction. In the first step of the mechanism, here we write the Grignard's reagent, that is we have methyl magnesium bromide. There is partial negative charge on this carbon, magnesium has positive charge, and here we make the ester molecule, that is ethyl acetate. Now what will happen in this step, students? In this step, this carbon of Grignard reagent, with the help of this negative charge, this carbon will attack on carbonyl carbon of ester molecule. So it will attack on this ester molecule, students, right? And the pi electron density goes to carbon. So after the reaction, what unstable intermediate is formed? We will make here this carbon, here oxygen, and here we have methyl group which is attached with this carbonyl carbon, and here we have OC2H5, right students? And oxygen, which is partial negative, when pi electron density shifted on this oxygen, then with the help of this electron density, oxygen will attack on this magnesium and it will form sigma bond with this magnesium. So here we have magnesium bromide. This is the first step of the mechanism. Here in this first step, we get the unstable intermediate. Here we get unstable intermediate. Right, students? Now let's see what is the next step of the mechanism. Step 2. In the second step of the mechanism, again we make the unstable intermediate which is formed in the first step, that is CH3O CH3 C O M G B R. Here we have CH3 O C2 H5. This is the unstable intermediate, students, and if we do its hydrolysis, then what will happen? If we do its hydrolysis, students, then what will happen? Oxygen which has negative charge on it, right, and it has positive charge. So if we do its hydrolysis, this negative charge is shifted between oxygen and carbon, right, and this bonding electron density goes to this oxygen. So after this reaction, we get CH3 C double bond O CH3, that is acetone. Acetone is formed, students, right? Now we will see, and another molecule which is formed is ethanol, that is C2 H5OH, plus here we get hydroxy magnesium bromide. Now students, we will see what will happen in the third step of the reaction. Further we will study the reaction of acetone. Now we'll see what is happen in the third step of the reaction. Acetone which is formed will further reacts with Grignard's reagent. Here we have Grignard's reagent. For example, we have methyl magnesium bromide. Now acetone which is formed CH3, there is a partial negative charge on this oxygen and partial positive charge on this carbon atom, which is directly attached with magnesium, has partial negative charge, while positive charge on this magnesium atom. Now students, what will happen? Carbon, with the help of this negative charge, it will attack on this carbonyl carbon, right, and this reaction is proceeded in the presence of dry ether. Dry ether should be there in the medium. Dry ether. Now in the presence of dry ether, carbon will attack with the help of this negative charge. Carbon will attack on this carbonyl carbon, and pi electron density shifted on this oxygen. Oxygen, with the help of negative charge, it will attack on this magnesium. Right, students? So we'll see what product is formed after the reaction. Here we make the carbonyl carbon. On one side we have methyl group, on other side we have methyl group, and this methyl group of Grignard reagent will form sigma bond with this carbon. Here we have OMgBr. Right, students? This is the addition product. This product is the addition product. Now students, we will see the next step of the reaction. What will happen with the addition product? What product is formed in the next step, students? We'll see here. Again, we will write the addition product here. We have here the addition product, that is CH3 and CH3 OMgBr. Now students, we do the acidic hydrolysis of this addition product. then what will happen? This oxygen is protonated. It will abstract proton from here, right? And the bonding electron density which is present on oxygen and magnesium will be cleaved. Hydroxide ion of water with the help of negative charge will form sigma bond with this magnesium. Right, students? So we'll see what product is formed after the reaction. After the reaction, since oxygen is protonated, so here we get CH3, 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 OH. Right, students? Plus we have hydroxy magnesium bromide. Here we get tertiary alcohol, students. Since hydroxyl group is attached with tertiary carbon, so here we get tertiary alcohol, that is 2-methyl 2-propanol. The tertiary alcohol which is formed is 2-methyl 2-propanol.